Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo, and today's video is brought to us by Aguila. Their Super Colibri ammunition. If you're not familiar with that, it's a 22 caliber round. It's 20 grains, and it's not propelled by anything but the primer, which is in the bottom, just the bottom of the casing. 20 grains. These are good to about, let's say 40 yards. I've taken crows out to 50, but that's a lucky shot. Let's see. They run about 500 feet per second. And I have been on a list trying to get these for at least 2 years. And I haven't had any of these in such a long time. They even changed the box. This is the old box. I have several boxes of these. And that's the new box. At about $6 per 50, which I think is a good price. And I got them from Gun Stuff TV in, that is Cave Creek, Arizona. So let's take a look at this Zippo. So here is the new Zippo. It's the normal Zippo black box. And this is a non-matching box. They covered up whatever was under there. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And it is a red, very nice red flame. Nothing on the innards. It's got a really nice, kind of a strawberry red case. And it's got the little Zippo logo, Zippo everywhere. Even got the Zippo right there. Very shiny. I haven't seen a Zippo this shiny for a while, at least the body of it. It's made an F of 21, which I think is June. Really good stampings on this. Bradford, PA, made in USA, F21. So that is the Zippo. And I did look through my collection, and I just so happened to have another one exactly like it. This one was a gift. This one I bought. This is the same shiny finish, and that was D of 21. And these things normally come with a steel insert, but for this one I put in a brass colored insert. It's really a steel insert, and they colored it, somehow heat treated it to turn out copper or a brass color. Just makes it look a little bit nicer, that brass color. This one's got a really good sound. Let's do a drop test on the Zippo Flame. Okay, so the Zippo Flame stays lit during the drop test. That's a good one. Zippo really likes making these flame logoed lighters, and that is a sticker on there. Here's one I really like. That is like a Mario Brothers inspired flame. And that's of course the other one of those I have. And then there is the 1932 replica cover. A really good one. Let's see, this was made in, looks like K of 11. So it's kind of an old one. So there's a couple of good Zippos and a nice stash of Aguila Super Colibri that I got today. I'm really happy with. And I think all of this stuff deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.